Don't you just love a cozy, inviting family room? In this project, my clients wanted me to create a cozy space in their large two-story room. Creating a cozy room in such a large space can be a challenge. Here's how I did it. I visually lowered the ceiling by hanging a large chandelier about 8 feet above the floor. This brings the fixture into the room and lowers the ceiling. I also brought the furniture off the walls onto a large custom area rug to create close seating groups and conversation areas. By mixing many fabrics, 8 to be exact, I created a collected and cozy feeling in this space. The clients love their family room. It meets all of their needs, from evenings by the fire to hosting large family gatherings.